Emoji, a U.S. startup, has converted a 1957 tugboat to run on ammonia, as it seeks to replace dirty diesel fuel with cleaner alternatives. The highly efficient ammonia-to-power technology feeds liquid ammonia through cracking modules integrated into a hybrid fuel cell system, which then powers the electric motors. The ammonia does not emit CO2 when used as a fuel, resulting in zero greenhouse gas emissions. Ammonia is composed of one nitrogen atom combined with 3 hydrogen atoms, making it appealing to those interested in the hydrogen economy. Hydrogen is hard to transport, but can be converted into ammonia, which is easier to transport despite being highly corrosive and toxic. The company aims to present the first ammonia-powered ship in 2023 in upstate New York, pending further safety testing and regulatory discussions, with a target to fully commercialize it in 2024. Ammonia is expected to become a next-generation fuel because it has properties that are ideally suited for the hydrogen economy.